Okay, y'all know what time it is. Y'all not ready for this unboxing though. Big special thanks to the Shinkashay or Mrs. Mavens or Shamar or what you want them to call you.
A Shinkashay.
There you go. Anyway, y'all, she came through again. Y'all don't know nothing about these OG for show right here, and y'all know I'm about to put them on. Look at that. Got the pen leather, got the leather with it, clear bottom, pennies. Yes. We was at the, sit right here real quick. We was at the Nike store in Chicago, downtown, and she seen me trying to get these. I tried to try them on, and they had a size bigger, I believe. So then I get back here one weekend, and she told me she had these for me. I'm late on the unboxing, but I'm about to put these on right now. Thank you, baby. Anyway, thank y'all for checking the video out, and if you don't know nothing about the OG pennies, you better get up on them.